Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Quadratic equation is a second degree equation in one variable. For example, the most general form of this equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And where a, b, c are constants and x is a variable, and I take some numerical examples. For example, 6x square plus 7x minus 20 equal to 0, or 2x square minus x minus 15 equal to 0, or 2x square plus 11x minus plus 15 equal to 0. There are three methods of solving this equation, quadratic equation. First is factorization method, making factors. Second is completing the square method. And third is applying the application of the general formula. Of the general formula. Now, I take up one by one. First, the factor method, then the completing the square method, and thirdly, by the application of the general formula. And before the application of the general formula, I will drive the general formula, how to drive it and then how to apply it. So, let us take the examples over here and try to solve this. I take up the first example. It is 6x square plus 7x minus 20 equal to 0. Now what we have to do is factor this method. Now I am not going to tell you in detail how to factorize it, but if we make the factors will be 2x plus 5 into 3x minus 4 equal to 0. These will be the two factors which I am not going to drive it. Anyhow, now put each factor equal to 0. There are two possibilities that 2x plus 5 may be 0, 2x plus 5 may be 0. This means x must be equal to minus 5 by 2. Second possibility is that 3x minus 4 equal to 0, or x is equal to 4 by 3. This is how we make the factors and solve the equations. Let us try the second one. This is 2x square minus x plus minus 15 equal to 0. Now the factors of this equation is now 15 into 2 is 30. I am making the factor myself. 2 into 15 is 30. And 30 are the factors of 6 and 5. And the difference of the two, it is minus sign over here. The difference is 1, so it is minus 1 over here. So I write this as 2x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. Taking 2x common, I get it as x minus 3, and taking 5 common, I get it 5 minus 3. and the factors are 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5. 2x minus 2x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 3. So again, either of the two factors may be 0. When first factor is 0, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This means x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And when x minus 3 equal to 0, this means x is equal to 3. This is how we have solved
It is 5. 5 into x minus 3.
x minus 3, 2x plus 5. Oh, sorry. It is 2x plus 5. So it is minus 5 by 2. It is slip of the pen, not a serious mistake. It's just the slip of the pen. Anyhow, I take up the third one. Again, 15 into 3 is 30. Same factor 5 and 6, but they will have the positive signs. So we will have a 2x here plus 6x plus 5x plus 15 equal to 0. 2x common, we get x plus 3. 5 common, we get x plus 3 equal to 0. And this is 2x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 3 equal to 0. And this gives us x is equal to minus 5 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3. This is how we factorize the quadratic equations and put each factor equal to 0, and this gives the solution of the equation by factorization method. Now I take up the second method. Second method is completing the square method.